Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Coinbase account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Coinbase referral code? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why want to find your Coinbase referral code anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, especially if you're doing content, you know that Coinbase runs promotions from time to time, that if one of your viewers uses your Coinbase referral code and they complete a few steps, you get a bonus, and so do they. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Coinbase dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Coinbase, and this is the home screen. And here on the home screen, if you want to find your Coinbase referral code, here on the left side, this menu, you're going to look down here and click on Invite Friends. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see whatever promotion that Coinbase is running. You can see right now, if somebody uses my Coinbase referral code right here, and they make their first trade of $20 or more, they get $30, and so do I. So all you need to do is just copy this link. Now it's copied to your clipboard, and now you can share it in your YouTube video, your Facebook posts, or wherever you normally share your referral codes. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your Coinbase referral code, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.